natural number. The other thing which we look for, if it is from 1 to 4, you must have one extra numbers on either side. So if it is 1 to 4, you must have 0, you must have 5. So what we look for? A line with arrows at both ends, numbers marked correctly, and then one extra number at both ends. Well, I repeat, at least one extra number. So if you have got many more numbers, not a problem. But if you finish it here, all your effort goes in vain. You don't get that 1 mark. So 3 things which we look for: line with arrows, numbers plotted correctly, and one extra number at both ends. So that's 1. When it comes to number 2, same thing is repeated. Now it's a whole number, so 0 is included. So we mark 0 as well. And here with 0, -1 has to be there. And 5 of course will be there. The third one, starts with -2. So -2 will be marked, -1 will be marked, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here again one extra number on both ends. So for natural number, integers, whole number, we will mark the numbers with circle. Okay? Real number, we can always mark with some circle, but there is a little confusion when you appear for the exam. These circles to be joined. Now why to be joined? Because number between -2 and -1, I said infinite number of numbers. Those are also part of the solution. So when in exam, when you draw the line, and if you don't join it with a thicker line and it's not visible, even if you are doing correct, things will go wrong. So for the real number, I give a different notation. You can use this notation, that's not a problem. You have to join it. But then for real number to be on the safe side, same numbers. Now -2 is included here. So at -2 we draw a straight line. And at 5, now when it comes to any other number, 5 is not included. But when it comes to real number, well, 4.9999 is included. It's only 5 which is not included. So for real number at 5, which is not included, we draw a curve inward. So any number from -2 to 5 are included. Well, this is something missing. And what is missing is the next number 6. So all you did, forgot to put 6 here, that 1 mark is gone. Okay, so I repeat, first part, solve it, that is bringing x to one side, writing the solution set in one of these forms. Okay, now these forms I said here, you can write these. Even if you write this, it's not wrong, but finally you have to come to this. But for real number, it has to be only this. Okay, so these are the basic things in the chapter, and I'll come on to this